Now, the farmers' protest in the national capital has entered day 5 today. This despite the centre's assurance to hold talks. Yesterday, we also saw some farmer unions who are protesting at the Haryana-Delhi border, declaring that they will not shift their agitation to the Nirankari ground. Meanwhile, Home Minister Amit Shah held a high-level meeting to review the situation. We go across to our reporters now. My colleague Sumi is reporting live from the Ghazipur border. Sumi, day 5 of the farmers' protest today with no peaceful abatements seen in the near future. Now, yesterday a high-profile meeting was also chaired between Home Minister Amit Shah, Agriculture Minister, Defence Minister and BJP President. What's the latest coming in right now as you're reporting from the live ground? Over to you.
Absolutely, Adhiraj. You correctly pointed out that a high-level meeting was held at JP Nadda's residence yesterday, who happens to be the BJP National President. And in that meeting, the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and other dignitaries, and also the Agricultural Minister Narendra Singh Tomar was present there, and they chalked out a plan. They discussed how the further course of action will be. In fact, we would like to show you the present scenario that's happening at the NH24 Ghazipur border here. Several level barricading has been done, and in fact the JCB has also been brought to do a concrete barricading. However, the number of farmers are going to just increase at this very point, because thousands of farmers are already present here, and the number is going to get even larger as the day progresses, because several thousand farmers are already on their way, and in fact the spirit is high. They are not going to budge from this moment. And in fact, yesterday during the press conference, they were very vocal about their demands. They said that we are going to block 5 points into the national capital, that is Sonipat, Panipat, Ghaziabad, Hapur border, Mathura border, and also the Jaipur. These are the 5 points using which one can enter the national capital. But farmers are going to block these 5 points. They were very vocal about that during their press conference, and they have refused to hold any kind of talks with the central government. They have not entertained the central government's intervention, and this time they are not going to move from any of these points. The situation remains tense at every given border, be it Singhu border, Tikri border, which happens to be the Sonipat and Panipat border, and here at Ghazipur border also several hundreds of them have gathered here. More and more tractors are on the way. We're also waiting for the farmer union leader Rakesh Tikait, who's already on his way to this very point. Let's actually go across to them and talk to them. इस बार सिचुएशन काफी धीरे-धीरे टेंस होती जा रही है सर. बैरिकेडिंग बढ़ा दी गई है और मुझे ये बोला गया है कि और भी लोग आ रहे हैं यहाँ पर. कितने लोगों के जमा होने का एंटिसिपेशन?
पता नहीं कितने हो जाए, गिनती ना है. बहुत हाल लग रहा है.
तो लाखों की संख्या में बढ़ेगा किसान का जन सैलाब है. थोड़ा खेती बाड़ी का काम था, किसान का शादियाँ थी, ये तो अचानक लाखों में बढ़ेगा. और ये बड़ा काम नहीं सरकार, केवल वो जो एमएसपी है, एसएमपी जो है, उसे भी इसी तरीके से विधेयक लागू कर दिया, ऐसे उसे लागू कर दिया.
गवर्नमेंट से क्यों नहीं बात करने के लिए राजी हो रहे आप लोग? गवर्नमेंट बात करने को तैयार है, लेकिन गवर्नमेंट से बात करने के लिए क्यों नहीं राजी?
देखिए, बात करने का क्या है कि बुराड़ी की चेक एक तरफ चले जाओ, इनकी व्यवस्था के फिर सुनने के नहीं. अच्छा, दूसरी बात, हमने कोरोना काल में खेतों में काम किया, सब लोग घरों में रहे, हम बाहर रहे, हमने रिस्क लिया, हमारा भुगतान कोरोना काल का भी नहीं मिला गन्ने का. इससे ज़्यादा दुर्भाग्य की बात क्या है? दूसरी बात, हमारी एक मांग है, बात करने कुछ नहीं, वहाँ से हाँ कर दो कि हमने कह रहे कि एमएसपी मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइस, उस पर कानून बना दे, यदि उससे कोई कम खरीद करेगा उस पर कानूनी कार्रवाई होगी. सीधी सी बात है.
बिल्कुल, आप लोगों की ये डिमांड है, और आप लोग कब तक ये अपना एजिटेशन जारी रखने वाले हैं?
जब तक
Of course, we cut across to my colleague Piyush, who's live from the Singhu border right now. Piyush, day 5 of the farmers' protest, you are standing live from a place which saw a lot of ruckus, which saw a lot of dramatic visuals when protests were coming in the first 2 days of the protest. But as of now, at 9 a.m., what is the situation in the Singhu border right now?
It's
the 5th day of this agitation of farmers, and right now we are present at the Singhu border. Remember, this is the place which has been the most worst affected because of the farmers agitation. Right now I am here at Singhu border, and I would like to show you the 360-degree view of this very area. Right now it's 9 a.m. in the morning, and the farmers are having their morning tea, morning breakfast. But before I go into deep and show you more visuals, let me also once again try to show you as to how, because of this protest, the common people of this area who have to cross from Delhi to Punjab and to Haryana, they are facing a lot of problems. You can see that there are people who are carrying their luggage in their hands and crossing this border by walking for at least 5 to 6 kilometers, and then they go to other part of this border, and then they catch bus to travel to either Haryana or to Punjab. This is the problem which the local people who have to cross borders they are facing. Now let's try to go and let's try to show you what's actually happening and what's the actual situation. You see, when we entered, that's the concrete block which has been put up here by the police officials here. You can see that complete area has been blocked. The trucks have been put up here so that farmers do not cross this border using their tractors. We have seen that how they have been stopped on either sides of this border area. The similar barricading has been done by Delhi police. That's the area where it's mentioned, Delhi mein aapka hardik swagat hai. From here the area, the border of Delhi begins. Now we are trying to go beyond that. We'll try to show you as to what's the actual situation so that our viewers can understand. Right now as we are speaking, there are the good number of police personnel who have been deployed in large numbers. That's the security protest which we are showing right now, and there's a meeting also which is going on. You can see that how barricading has been done. From that side we will be entering in Delhi, and we'll try to show our viewers as to what's actually the situation there on the other side where the farmers are staging their protest. On both sides, you know, the farmers had entered here with the help of tractors, and now you know, tractors have been stopped there. Now farmers have walked in and they have entered in the premises of Delhi, and they are sitting on the other side of this very place, which certainly indicates as to how the protest is going on. We are showing you also how the common people are also...
Right, of course, all important developments coming in right now. We spoke to two of my colleagues, Sumi and Piyush. Now, of course, Sumi was reporting from the Gazipur border, my apologies, and Piyush from the Singhu border. And as day 5 of farmers' protests still continue,